what they have given. For all maximum 6 questions, you have the same thing. Show that the lines joining origin to the point of intersection of the curve. Lines joining origin. These are the lines which are joining to origin 0, 0. To the point of intersection of the curve and straight line. There is a curve and straight line. What they have given? Show that lines joining origin to the point of intersection of the curve and straight line are mutually perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular, we have to show. See, to get whenever curve and straight line is there and they are the intersection points, they are going and meeting to this origin, this equation 1 and 2, we can get by homogenizing these two, line and curve. How can we get this 1 and 2 equation? By homogenizing. What is that homogenizing? You can see. After that you will get that concept now. Given curve we will write first. What is the given curve?
X square minus x plus y square plus 3x.
This is 1. Then given line. Whatever thing which does not have square, that is linear. Na? Given line is
X minus y minus root 2 equals to 0.
what we have to do is send constant to right side from this line. X minus y equals to root 2 and take that constant to the denominator. Equate the value with 1. What we got? Suppose you have in this way x plus y plus 9 equal to 0. What we need? We need 1 on right side. So we can assign constant to right side. Then take that constant to the denominator. It becomes 1. So in the same way, what we have to do? We need to get 1 from the line. How to get that one? Check once again. Given curve as it is equation 1. When line is given to you, for maximum all questions you have to do the same thing. Minus root 2 I have sent to right side. Then this root 2 is taken to denominator. We need 1. We got 1. This is second equation. Now we have to write homogenizing 1 with the help of 2. What does it mean? Whenever we are writing homogenizing 1 with the help of 2, we are getting these two lines. How to get those lines? Whatever curve is given to you, you have to write on the curve x values. When you find x values, you can write into 1. When you find y value, here this is y square, not y value. Okay? Y means single y. 3 into y, again take into 1. Minus, whenever you find any constant, you can write 1 square to the constant. What I have done? Homogenizing 1 with the help of 2. After writing the statement, write down the curve, and at the time of writing the curve, what we have to do? Wherever you find x, you have to take into 1, wherever y into 1, wherever constant into 1 square. Now, x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x into whatever one value you have to take. Now simplification. This 3x is multiplied to both the values of numerator. I am writing bracket as it is. Step 1 you need to remember is whenever brackets are there, just send the numbers inside, don't send the sign. 3x square minus 3xy by root 2 plus as it is. Bracket 3y into x is 3xy minus 3y square by root 2. Then minus as it is. I am not sending 2 inside. The reason, it has to be squared now. First square the numerator. x square plus y square minus 2xy bracket close divided by 2 root 2 square. Okay. Now we have
minus 2x sir. Minus 2xy कैसे?
X minus 4 minus
expansion. Now 1 root 2 root 2. We have two methods from here. One, you can take LCM. Other thing, without doing LCM. So without taking LCM, we will do this. X square minus xy plus y square plus this one divided by root 2. 3xy divided by root 2 plus 3xy divided by root 2 minus 3y square divided by root 2. Now here minus sign, minus x square minus y square plus 2xy equals to 0. Now whatever terms with like and unlike signs we can cancel. X, y square cancel. Now we have to write down the this one plus 3xy by root 2 minus 3xy by root 2 cancel. Whatever x square terms are there, that we will write first. Three x square by their xy terms minus xy plus 2xy. This is minus 1xy plus 2xy plus 1xy or xy. Then minus 3y square by 2. This is the line we got, pair of line equation we got. That represents, whenever whatever remains now after homogenizing, we will get this equation 1 and 2. How can we know that 1 and 2 represent this equation? Any pair of line which passes through origin have only three terms, means x square term, xy term and y square term. This pair of this has xy term, x term, y term, constant like that, na? But pair of line does not have like that. Whatever pair of line which passes through origin have only how many terms? Three terms. So this is pair of line we got. What we have to prove now? They are perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular. So we have to find coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square we have to find. Coefficient of x square is denominator of x square. Leaving x square, whatever you should write here. Leaving y square plus 3 by root 2 minus 3 by root 2 cancel. Therefore lines are perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular. So what we have done in this one? We need to show that the line from origin to the point of intersection of the curve and straight line is given. We have to write given curve, given line. From the line we have to take the constant denominator. Then homogenizing with respect to 1, we should write the equation with x into 1, with y into 1, with constant 1 square. Then substitute this one, whatever we got. Simplification is there. One more problem if you do, you will get the correct idea regarding this simplification.
Sir, if one comes, 0 to plus में 1 है, 0 plus 0. If 1 comes,
They are not perpendicular. But if this question is given for perpendicular, you will not get 1. what we have to find in this one?
Find
Find the angle between the line joining the point of intersection of the curve and the straight line. Same thing. We have a curve and the straight line and the point of intersection are meeting here. We need to find this angle. Previously we are not finding the angle. We are proving that that angle is 90. Here we have to find angle between the line 1 and 2. To get this first and second line, which is intersecting at origin, we have to homogenize curve with the straight line to get the lines. Whenever such thing is there, if a curve and line is passing and they are meeting at origin, homogenizing is done to get that line's equation. Now for homogenizing, what we have tried, given curve we have tried. Whatever given curve, we will write that one as it is. Equation 1. Then given line,
3x minus 5 plus
send 1 to right side.
3x minus 1
Minus 1. See, if any number is there, we can use to take denominator to get 1. Already 1 we got, but the sign is negative. So this sign we have to take, multiply this equation with minus sign so that you will get 1 here. Suppose if we have 4x minus y equals to minus 1. I need 1 on right side. This minus sign we have to shift here. That means multiply the whole equation by minus sign. So this becomes plus. In this way we got 1 here. This is second equation. Suppose if we will get 2 here, plus 2, what we will do? We have to take the 2 to the denominator like the previous problem. Now 1, we have to write homogenizing 1 with the help of 2. X square plus 2xy 2x into 1 plus so wherever we have found 1, we have to take that is rule of with constant into 1 square we have to take, that is the rule of homogeneity. Y is not the constant. If it is rule, we have to follow the rule. X will get 1, y will get 1 and constant will get 1 square into 1 value.
minus 3x plus 1.
Here calculation mistakes will be done by many of them. Avoid that. Check this one. Follow nicely, you will get it. 2x is multiplied to both the values. 2 into minus 3. 2 into y, 2xy minus 6xy plus 2y square minus 5 as it is. See, whenever you have minus a plus b whole square, you have to use a minus b whole square formula only. If we have a minus b is there whole square, or minus is given to first value also a minus b whole square only. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. I'm not simplifying now. First I am multiplying the bracket, then we will simplify. Plus 30xy. You have to be aware of sign. See, previously I am not multiplying this y inside. Why? It has square. So in bracket you have to simplify for square. Then outside value is multiplied inside. Now check x square values here. How many x squares are there?
X square 45.
1x square is there positive 1,
45.
negative 6, negative 45. See, negative 6 and negative 45 means minus 51
Yes.
plus 1. Minus 50x square. Then xy terms. Plus 2xy plus 2xy. 4xy plus 30xy plus 34xy minus 6xy. See, plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 28 plus 30 plus 28 you will get. Then y square plus 1y square plus 2y square plus 3 minus 5. Now, if we have minus sign to the first value, multiply the whole equation with minus sign. Plus 15 minus 28 plus 2y square. After this, if you find any single table in this one, multiples, you can cancel in that.
Okay.
Yes, multiple of 2 we can cancel now from all the 3 terms. So what we will get? 225 times, 214 times, 1 times. Now we have to compare this one with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Pair of line formula. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of y square, xy coefficient is 2h. 2h is equals to minus 14, h is equals to minus 7. What we have to do to find the angle between the pair of lines, we have theorems also how we are getting those angles and all. Just for now, what you have to remember, a is 25, b is 1. This coefficient is xy coefficient, here is 2h, 2h is minus 14, that is 7, minus 7. Now cos theta formula. A plus b modulus divided by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Now cos theta equals to a plus b
25 plus 1.
a minus b whole square 4 into h square.
Minus 7 h square. Whole square.
This is 26 divided by root over 24 square is 49 into 4. 196. So 26 divided by root over 772. Okay. Now 772 square root is not there. So we will find LCM for this one. 2 root 193. So you can leave it up to that mark. We are not getting square root. Theta is equals to cos inverse. You have to send this cos to that side. Cos inverse 26 by root 772 is the angle. Okay. How we get that one? When we have not got any value, whatever value remains here, that is cos theta value. So we need theta, we need angle. So cos we have to send to right side. Cos becomes what? Cos inverse of whatever given value. So once again check this one. Whenever we have to find the angle between the lines, which is origin and point of intersection of the curve and the straight line, means we have to immediately think of a curve is there, line is there, point of intersection meeting at origin means what? Homogenizing problem. To homogenizing, write the curve, write the line, equate the line to 1, and you have to homogenize 1 with the help of 2. Write down whatever values of x you have to take 1, whatever values of y you have to take 1, and constant you have to take 1 square. In that way, wherever 1 is there, you have to substitute the second equation. At the time of simplification, here a minus b whole square, you have to remember a square plus b square minus 2ab we have to write. Then this minus 5 is multiplied to all. After that we have to arrange the terms in order. Means how many x square terms are there, how many xy terms are there, how many y square terms are there. Here we find 1x square is there, minus 6x square is there. See 1x square minus 6x square minus 45x is there. How to calculate this one? First check how many negative terms are there. Minus 51, positive 1. So minus 51 plus 1 is minus 50. In that way then xy in the middle, then y square terms. Y square and xy also you can consider, your wish. So after that you got one equation which has 3 terms. If we have 3 terms, we got the lines. Now we have to find the angle between the lines. To find the angle between the lines, A, B and H we needed. A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of y square, H is multiple to H. So we got A, B and H. So A plus B by root over, we have to substitute in this formula to get this one.